Hello guys. So in today's class we are going to continue from where we stopped in our DAX playbook. So apparently we started logical function and we've talked about and or first, followed by the if function. Now what we want to do today is that we are going to do something. We want to embed two logical functions. That means we want to use both if and together in just a statement. If and in just a statement. Now, which column are we going to be using today? We are going to be using this performance column today. Exactly. How do you want to do it? Come Yes, you know you've not used this logic performance score before, right? But we said that what we use it for bad and good. So just for two things. Now, but what we want to do today is we want to use this performance score for something else. And what is that? Now, we want to have three category of people. One, if before between 1 to 3 they will be poor. Like it is going to be poor. 1 to 3 should be poor. 4 to 6 should be mid. 7 and 8, 9 should be good. Then 10 should be excellent. Don't forget 1, 2, 3 poor. 4, 5 is going to be mid. 6, 7, 8. Sorry, let's make it like that. 6, 7, 8 is going to be good. Then 9 and 10 will be excellent. Exactly. Now let's go. How do we do this? Now, for us to do this, we need to understand something. I'm saying we want to use between 1 to 3. That means we want to use between. Yes or no? Yes. Now, let us create a new column. New column. If logical 3. Right. So now first, now if I say I want between 1 to 3, that means I need the statement between. Right? Right? But there is nothing like between here. Like Excel did not give me the chance of saying what I want to write in between. I can only use grand between and date between. So what am I going to do? What we're going to do is this. Now, if you are saying something is between two things, that means that the two conditions must be met. What do I mean? Now, if I say this thing is between 1 to 3, that means that what it must not be lesser than 3, and it must not be greater than 3, isn't it? Don't forget, if I say this between 1 to 3, or if I say it's between 1 and 3, that means what? It is either 1, 2, or 3. 4, 5, 6 is exempted. 0 and negative numbers are exempted. So that means for something like this, you can actually combine both our and if together. Exactly. Let me start with my and statement first. Say that what? Performance score is greater than or equals to 1. Let me space it. Greater than or equals to 1, comma. And say performance score is lesser than or equals to 3. See, I'm done with this and statement now. Use it. Now, if this is 2, what should it give me? Don't forget, if it's greater than or equals to, that means it's from 1 upward. And if it is lesser than or equals to, that means from 3 downward. Now, since we are using and simply means that what the two conditions must be met. That means this one must be true, this one must be true, before it is now going to give us what we want. So we just come here and put our if statement here. You get it? So this everything I'm having here is my logical tests. Can you see it? I'll just say comma. Now what's my result if 3? Result if 3 is what? Don't forget that what it should be what? Poor results. So we say what? Poor, or can even call it poor performance. So for readability, let us come to next line for the other one we want to do. So now again, we are going to use if and again. So now this time I want to check for what? We said that from 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4 and 5 should be mid um how will I call it? Fair performance. We are going to use the word fair performance. So consider that what logical test. Sorry, performance score. Performance score is greater than or equals to what? 4, comma, performance score is lesser than or equals to what? 5. I hope you get it. And we just close our bracket like this. Come on. Consider what? Fair performance. Fair performance. Score. The next one is what? Don't forget. No, I'm not done. Let's continue. The next one will now be what? Now, so that means if this one is not true also, what should be the next thing we are going to be having? So that now this is the first statement. Don't forget. If if my Power BI show want this, if it is true, it's going to give me poor performance. If it is false, it will just come to it will come around this second one, this second statement. I hope you get it. Now, I want to do the next one again now. If this one is also false, what should you do? I will say that what? You want another statement again. If again, and don't forget, we say that what 6, 7, 8 should be what? Good, right? So that what if performance score. This and is working as what? It's working just like we are using between. That is why the and is there. The and is serving as our between. Don't forget to greater than or equals to 6, comma, and lesser than or equals to what? It's yes or no. So we now say now it's just if true. See, look at this value true. If this is true, it should give me what? It should give me good performance. What if it is false? So if it is false, just return excellent result for me. So that means if it is false, that means the number, if it does not fall between 1 to 3, it does not fall between 4 to 5, it does not fall between 6 to 8. So definitely it's going to fall between what? 9 to 10. And I'm very certain that what everything I'm having my performance score does not go beyond 1 to 10, and it is not lesser than 1. Let me come again. I'm very sure everything I'm having in my performance score does not go below 1 and does not go beyond 9 to 10. So the first statement is that what once this one is true, it's not going to one another. It's just return poor performance. Now if it is false, then it will come and check for what all these statements again. If this one is also true, also if this logical test is also true again, it's going to return this for me. Now if this one also fails again, then it will come out do this again, run this particular logical test and give me this good performance. So this one has failed, this one has failed, this one has also failed. So if this result is now, if it is false now again, what should be the next thing? The next thing is just to see that it should be excellent performance. What is clear? Up, this is clear. First, it's going to run this. If this is correct, it will return poor performance. Then it's not going to run others. But if this is false, it moves to the next line to come and run this. If it's correct, it will just give me fair performance. If this is also wrong, it will come out, run this and give me good performance. If this is also wrong, then what? It moves towards excellent performance. Hope that's clear. And I'll just click on this place. Oh, let's close the brackets, even though it is not really compulsory. You see, automatically our Power BI has even added the brackets for us. So now, if you come and check this place now, you see it 4. You see 4 falls under fair performance. See excellent. 9 is what excellent. 4 is fair. As just as we said that 1, 2, 3 should be poor. 4 and 5 should be what fair. 6, 7 should be good performance. Then 9, 10 should be excellent performance. And that's what we can say. You see 3 falls under 4. 4 falls under 4. And what? You see this empty space just as what as 0. That's just giving us poor performance. I hope that's clear. So that is just that on that. I hope this is clear to every one of us. So this is what logical test 3. So in our next class we are going to use what, okay, instead of using and, what if I want to use symbols? How can I do that? This the way we can also do that. So God spend our life by next week Friday. We are going to talk about that. Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks for watching.